Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions still bullish in a bear market and looking even more bullish day by day. And this is the current shorter term trend. We're definitely seeing a lack of downside pressure in this bear market, and just gradually churning our way back to the upside. We'll see if we get a new upside trend here. This shorter term trend is still constructively working out a nice base, and now we're up above this location, up above this trend line. Really solid internals as well. Everything's climbed up. We're now approaching the upper range of this, but we're seeing that we get a rally and then it pulls back, and a rally and it pulls back, and that's what we want to see. We want to see this momentum up in this range. We want to see breadth up in this range. We want to see sentiment up in this range. We've been talking about this one. Sometimes that can be a contrarian type indicator. When everyone is positive, then you should go against the crowd. And sometimes when everyone is positive, you want to go with the crowd. So the underlying factor on that is what is happening right here. Which one is going to catch up? Sometimes that'll happen where you get, sorry for the scrolling. Let me go back to this one, where you get this sentiment really high, and then you get momentum and breadth, which are lagging, and they'll stay down here, and then sentiment catches up this direction. Or in more bullish conditions, you get this setting where you get a lot of optimism happening here, and then the market actually catches up to that optimism. So interesting patterns happening right here, constructively bullish in my opinion. The buy-sell ratio still pretty solidly bullish up in this upper range. That's the only concern here now, is that we are on these upper ranges. With that though, and the sentiment also again approaching that upper range. If we look at the SPY chart, we can see we're very close to a breakout point. I think if we can break out above this location, we could definitely see higher prices here. If we run into this resistance and retrace back a little bit, that says that there's still some bears in the market, and we may, there may just be some more continuation of volatility. But again, this is pretty constructively bullish. To the upside here on new buys, some pretty good looking stocks here. This is a stock, GOTU, that has had a big run up here early on in the year. Well, last year, and then it's kind of been consolidating here just with a lot of volatility. But it is a very volatile stock, pretty high flyer. Keep an eye on it if you're looking for shorter term type trades, but just be aware of the amount of volatility that's on that. And then also the new buy scan, you can just click that and go to this next stock here. We're seeing oil fields, seeing oil stocks here in this scan today starting to move back up again. Basic material, GPRE, and Biogen. Interesting to see kind of a mega cap stock in there in that list with the new upside. Biogen, biomedical type stock here as well. So keep your eye on those. One other thing to be aware of, just remember on these indexes, we're seeing this one here, we're seeing small cap, mid cap leading currently. That is also a bullish sign that you're getting more and more risk takers. They're going into smaller cap stocks that have potentially more volatility, and we're seeing some of the big ones, the big heavy hitters that were leading. Dow is now at the bottom of that list. So we're seeing a little bit of a rotation into a little bit more aggressive risk on. It's kind of the term that gets thrown out there, is in looking for some more upside. So keep your eye on that as well. And if you don't have full access to the site, you can sign up with the link below. We look forward to having you. Have a great day today.